workshop number 1. This was our micro connection and technique class. If you're interested in more on this stuff, go to dougsilton.com and download Private Lesson in a Box 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. All right, so for today we talked about hand grip first. We talked about the true line up the arm and the ability to have our knuckles above our wrist, pulling down from the hand and then letting our fingers relax, pulling our fifth and first fingers over on top to expose the pad of the fingers. When we choke up into this hand grip, from here with knuckles above wrist, we have a straight line elbow through elbow. From here we went into working to and from the wrist. So as I move my partner forwards, she compresses knuckles in the palm, she absorbs in moving her abs to her wrists, and I do the same. When we move away, we post, and we're moving our abs, moving away from our wrists. On the left side pass, she's moving into her wrist, then she's moving away from her wrist. As a leader, I'm allowing this to absorb in and then reel it back out. So we should have perfect body flat moving through without a slowdown. Then we talked about the pre-lead. A 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, 5 and a 6, where my thumb goes from noon to 2:30, and even though my thumb can do it on its own, it's with the whole hand. On 6 before I move her in. When I release on beat 2, freeze right there, I rotate her hip, support her turn. So if this is going to a whip, we both bend frame, and we both bend frame. Or if I want to take it into a double outside roll, there's my pre-lead. When I release, her body's already wound up to go clockwise. Yeah? Then we talked about moving to and from the wrist in a whip, allowing the wrist to come in for the leaders and the followers as well. And we're going from a poundage of pressure to a 0 and back up instead of a constant pressure. Thank you guys so much.